Hello, welcome back to Shelvington. My name's Andy, this is my model railway in the garage. It's been an awful long time since I've been able to do any updates. It's summer here in New Zealand and it gets incredibly hot in the garage. Regularly 30, 40 degrees, 45 is quite common as well. And it's just too hot. You can't work in it, it's just too warm. But lots been going on. Lots of stock has been bought. I'll just quickly show you the where we're at, because the layout is being totally updated, changed. Yeah, right from literally the ground up. So this is the fiddle yard that you'll have seen in previous videos. This is one end of it. It's all finished now, all the tracks in place, all the locos are ready to go basically. They're just sitting here ready and waiting. And as we just carry on around, you'll see more and more of the wagons all ready to go, and that's about as far as I can go that way. You'll see baseboards are in place now. The LED lighting is done underneath. There's a few got some baseboards down here. These are all done, but sadly it just ends here at the moment. This is the end of this level. I have the wood to carry on, and I will carry on when the temperatures drop a little bit, but it's just too warm at the moment. But the reason for the quick update today is what's inside this box. Now this was I spoke to Iron Horse Hobbies down in Christchurch ages ago about ordering this particular loco, and they said yep, they don't have any in, but when it comes in stock, it's mine. That must have been 8 months, 9 months ago. Awful long time. Anyway, I'd forgotten about it until I got an email from them 2 weeks ago saying, Andy, we've finally been able to secure one, do you still want it? And I said, well, of course. However, I just bought some other trains, so I couldn't afford it at the time, but they agreed to hold it for me for a couple of weeks, and it's just been delivered. It's in this box, and what I'll do is I'll open the box and I'll show you what's inside. So here we go. It's the 4-car Greater Anglia Class 755, the FLIRT. First time I saw this ages and ages ago, I really liked it. I like the style, I like the colour scheme, I like the design of it, and thought, yeah, gotta have one. So like I said, I reached out to Iron Horse and they were trying to get hold of one for me. They said they were going to get one. They were promised stock, but it never happened until now. And yeah, like I said, this just arrived this morning. So yeah, let's see what it's all about. Oh, that tells you how to assemble it. Got some instructions, where the chips go. Lovely, lovely. So I'm going to unbox it. I'll get it all out. I'm not going to do that on camera because you don't see me taking things out of a box. There's no point. But there it is. Absolutely stunning looking bit of kit. Right, let me get it unboxed, and we'll get it on the bench and I'll show you what it looks like. Okay, so here it is in all its glory. It looks absolutely stunning. So we've got the so it's the 4-car pack, so we've got a little middle bit that goes obviously in the middle. The DCC chip, I've just found out, just lives under here. This just pops off, just magnetically held in, which is awesome. So it's got a blanking plate that I need to take out. I've not got a sound chip, but it says the speakers are already built in, so I might have a look at getting a sound chip for it, but not for now. We'll just go with a standard plain 21 pin chip. I'll get that put in. I'll do that off camera because I need 2 hands to take the blanking plate out, but I'll do that and I'll put the chip in, and then we'll get it onto the programming track, and then we'll get it onto the bit of the layout that's constructed. So right, give me 2 minutes and I'll come back. So here she is, folks, the Greater Anglian 4-car FLIRT. Oops, my camera work's not very good, sorry. There we go. That looks absolutely stunning. All the roof detail on here, it is incredible. If I just zoom in on there, look at the details. It is so cool. Right, let me go to the computer and just move some bits out of the way. Make sure it's all on the tracks, which it is. Right, there she is. Wow, that looks stunning. Right, let's get it to go down the helix and see how it works. Okay, so we're all set. We're the chip's in, the power's on. It's currently the red lights, so it's obviously going the wrong way. I'll get to the computer and we'll send it off down the track. I'll be back. And there we go, complete lap of Shelvington. Awesome stuff. There we go, so massive shout out to Iron Horse Hobbies down in Christchurch. Thank you so much for thinking of me and keeping this model to one side. I really do appreciate it. It is a truly awesome, incredible model. So pleased that I've been able to secure one. Anyway, we'll leave it there for today. Thank you very much for watching. I really do appreciate you sticking around. So thanks to everyone that subscribed. If you like the video, please consider subscribing, and don't forget to like. And if you've got any questions or comments, just leave them in the comment section below. Hopefully it won't be too much longer before I get to do another video, but I'll talk to you soon. Take care. Thanks a lot. Bye bye.